You are not fatty. Your workout is boring and wrong. If you really want to remove that stubborn fat, stop repeating the same useless routines. This video will change everything. Stay with me till the end, and your transformation will finally begin. Only 7 days results. Subscribe for more.
I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishbone, thinking of my life, the vision drifting by, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. How did life go wandering far, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, guiding me out the when I'm scared, I send a flare and you're here in a flash. When I ask, oh dear love, where did we come from? You say that like the sun, I had the will and mission, but the wrong position. I was hoping, praying for a sign, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. How did life go wandering far, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, guiding me out the dark. You guided me out the dark. When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes.
Subscribe for more workouts videos. Thanks for watching.